rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What's going on, man?
What up, man?
See you again, man.
You too, man. You doing all right?
Yeah, can't complain. How you been?
I seen the shirt. I was like, ooh, I know who that is.
Yeah, man. What you got running here this time?
I got 6 Trinity M Series 15s in a 6th order on 1 Ruthless 10K.
Yes, sir. You changed it up, didn't you?
I did. I changed out the door speakers. I got Arnold's in the doors. I put new subs. Pretty much all the equipment's new.
Yeah,
all
just
Ruthless
last
amps.
time.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Got it looking good. Yeah, you got it.
Another one. They got some good bandwidth.
That thing cut up, man. Cut up from last year.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that amp right there do on it.
It's doing. It's wired at 0.33.
I was just gonna say you can wire down in dirt, can't you?
Yeah, it just plays all day.
That's what I need, somebody wiring dirt.
Right?
Yeah, it's always working.
Oh yeah, you get that power, you know.
Yeah, man, he's standing behind it too, man.
Oh yeah.
Well, let them know where they can follow you on social media.
Facebook, just Ryan Linneman. Instagram, Black Pearl Blazer, and TikTok, Black Pearl Blazer.
Y'all know we're gonna tag them down below. Good to see you, bro.
Oh, yeah, you too, bro.
We'll do it again.
Always good to see you, man.
Good to see you, man.
You still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.